Hello guys, are you a coffee lover but you like to take a coffee that is free from acid, coffee that does not give you heartburn, coffee that is very good for your health, coffee that helps you in losing weight, has no calories, is very good for detoxification, or even for those people who want to stop from smoking and taking alcohol and you have never find out which is the best coffee you can actually take. In this video, I'm going to talk about the best coffees that you can actually take, and they have a very good health effects on your body. So if you want to know more about these coffees, what are they, what type of coffees are they, then stay up to the end of this video for you to understand all about these coffees. As I start, the first set of coffees is known as Liven Alkaline Coffees. These coffees have been made by premium Arabica beans, and also they have been fortified with one of the best food supplement known as Complete Phyto Energizer. These coffees comes in 4 flavors. We have the cappuccino flavor, we have the latte, original, and sugar free. So what are the benefits you get when you start using these coffees? One, they are very good in balancing the body pH. Two, if you are looking for a coffee for detoxification, then Liven Alkaline Coffee is very good for you. Also, for those people who are actually trying to improve on the offset damage of smoking and heavily intake of alcohol, these coffees actually help you to reduce that satiety of having that effect, that feeling of taking or even smoking. Also, this coffee for men, I always advise them to use cappuccino. Because why? Cappuccino is very good for sexual vitality. Because there are so many men who are going through premature ejaculation. They also have erectile dysfunction, low libido. Others are also experiencing weak erection. So this coffee cappuccino is very good for you. For ladies, for those who are experiencing dryness when they are in the mood of intercourse, or for those who have also low libido, Latte is very good for you. And another benefit you get is the increased metabolism. That means that they help in the body in the process of losing weight. The second set of coffees is known as Liven Burn Coffee. Now they come from the word burn to means that they put your body under right nutrition. These coffees come in 2 flavors. We have the burnt coffee and we have the green iced tea. Both have been made by the extract of the green iced tea and also Garcinia cambogia, which are very good in controlling and reducing the appetite. So what are the benefits you get when you start taking this coffee? One, they suppresses your appetite. That means they control your hunger hormone. For those people who are looking to lose their weight, these coffees are very ideal for you. Two, they're very good in controlling blood pressure. Remember, people who are associated with the overweight, their pressure always goes up because of the cholesterol and a lot of fats that are deposited around their heart and their veins. So these coffees, what they do, they actually eradicate those unwanted fats in the body and helps in the smooth flow of the blood. Two, they speed up the weight loss process. So if you are looking for a coffee that's going to help you in losing your weight, for example, these coffees work very best under 90 days. So if you are looking for the coffee that's going to speed up in process of losing weight, then take Liven Burn Coffee or Liven Iced Tea Green Coffee. The last set of coffee is known as My Choco. My Choco is a coffee that has been fortified with DHA, and DHA is known for brain boosting or food for the brain. And if you are a parent and you are looking for a coffee that can actually help your child in brain development, in mental alertness, in memory retention, or also for those parents who have the children who have a problem of eating, this My Choco is very good for them because My Choco contains fruits and vegetables that most of the children tend to avoid. So if you are a parent and you want your child to have that mental alertness, you want a child to be very sharp in class, you want your child to be very sharp in their life, then My Choco is very ideal for them. Also, My Choco is very alkaline. It is not acidic, so don't have the worries of my child will take an acidic coffee. No, the coffee is alkaline. So how do you take the coffees? You just need to serve them hot or cold. However, it is only My Choco that you can actually serve it hot or cold. But the rest of the coffees, you just need one sachet of one sachet of the either coffee and hot water, and you are good to go. Remember, all the coffees have been sweetened with this stevia. You don't need to add anything in them. You just need a cup of hot water and put in one sachet, stir it, and you are ready to take it. You don't need to add in sugars. You don't need to add any other thing. Just hot water and you are good to take the coffees. However, these are the unique features about these coffees. All of them are alkaline. That means they don't have acid in them. They're 100% organic. None of the coffee is toxic. They're all natural. They have no side effects. They have no overdose. And second, lastly, all these coffees have been approved by FDA. And lastly, they have been certified with the halal and kosher for the Muslims and the Hindus family to use them. But in case you want to know any question about these coffees, let me know it in the comment section. Those are some of the benefits and unique features about this coffee. So which flavor do you want to take, or which coffee do you want to know more information about it? I'm going to leave my WhatsApp contact down in the description section below. Reach out to me and let me know your question. But if you want to purchase, you want to get the coffee, also reach out to me. I'm going to help you on how to get the coffee and everything you need to know about the coffee. But if you have found something informative about these coffees or this video, let me know it in the comment section, or otherwise give this video a like and subscribe for you not to miss more information about different health products. Lastly, thank you for watching. I'm waiting at the other side of this video.